Hi, I'm Miss Allen, and I'm going to get you started on your trombone journey. Let's go. So when you first start playing the trombone, you're going to want to know how to shape your mouth when you play. That's called the embouchure. When we play the trombone, we're going to put our lips together by saying the letter M, M. Then we're going to make our lips vibrate by blowing air through them. It's kind of like making a raspberry. Next, we're going to take our mouthpiece and we're going to hold it, thumb on the bottom and our fingers right here on top. Then we're going to take it and bring it to our mouth and put it right in the middle of our lips, right here. And then we're going to buzz our lips together just like we did. You want to make sure no air is leaking out of the corners of your mouth and it's all going through the mouthpiece. Take deep belly breaths and sit up straight. Now we're going to experiment with our tongue by saying the syllable to as we're blowing. If you like videos like this and want to see more, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Now we're going to talk about how to put the trombone together. It comes in two pieces, the bell and the slide. The bell only has one opening that you can actually put anything on, which is right here. So we're going to set that aside and just look at the slide. There's a long, tall opening right here of the slide, and there's a short part of the slide here. The tall part here goes on the bell, and then you twist it on just like that. So I tell all my students to hold the slide with their right hand and set it down in front of them, but I'm going to hold it right here for now so that you can see. Then we're going to take the bell in our left hand and we're going to put it on the tall part, just like this, with the bell at this angle. We don't want the bell over here. We don't want the bell over here. We want it right here. Then there's this little ring here, and this is going to go up. It's going to grab onto here, and it's going to connect. So once you spin that on there, it's connected. Now it might move around a little bit. Just tighten that up. Now, most trombones come with a slide lock that's going to keep the lock from moving when you don't want it to. Right now, my slide lock is engaged and it's not moving. But if I were to turn this, the slide's going to start going. And we don't want that to happen because if the slide falls out, it could get damaged. So always use that slide lock when you're not actively using the slide. Now, we're going to put the mouthpiece on. It goes in the other hole that is on the slide. Holding the trombone can be tricky, but once you learn how, you're never going to forget. We're going to take the big part that is connected to the bell, and it's going to sit over our left shoulder. Once you have the bell on your shoulder, you're going to hold the trombone with your left hand, and you're going to play the trombone with your right hand. So let's start off with our left on how to hold it. Use your right hand to hold the slide for now. Then take your left hand and make this shape. Put your pointer finger out with your thumb up and your other fingers curled in. Then you're going to take that shape and grab around the slide. Put your thumb up towards the bell, the top of the bell, and your pointer finger is going to point right here. And that is how you hold it with your left hand. Then you're going to take your right hand, undo the slide lock, grab it with your pinchy hand, and now you can move the slide in and out. Let's make some sounds. Our goal is to make a sound with the slide in position 1, which is not moving anywhere, in the position it is right now. This is called first position. So we're going to buzz our lips together and blow through the trombone, and we should get the note F. Remember to be sitting up straight and bring the trombone to you. If you don't get that note out at first, that's okay. You might get this one instead. That's called a B flat. Either of those notes are great first notes for any beginner trombone player. If you're having trouble getting a good sound, think about your air going directly down the slide. Focus it all in one spot. Make sure you say 2. Once you get going on the trombone, you'll learn all the slide positions and tons of notes. The trombone is such a cool instrument, and I can't wait to teach you more about it. Remember to always do your best. Your best is better than you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.